Hello, Magne. How are you, sir?
Very good, thank you.
Sir, thank you very much. You have invited us here in Hardangervidda, the most beautiful place in Europe. What do you think about today weather?
I like it, it's nice.
Oh, yes.
But I'm a little bit worried about your clothes.
Oh, I have good warm clothes. Yes, that is...
We'll see.
Yes. Thank you very much. Here is the scooter that we should drive in the frozen lake. And here is the other accessories of this scooter. And Mr. Naeem Sabir, my friend, the Consulate General of Pakistan Embassy, Poland, sitting inside this cabin. And now we will drive soon from here for the hut. Mr. Magne, how many kilometers we should drive on the frozen lake?
12.
12 kilometers we should drive.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye. This is Hardangervidda Nasir from Norway. ख़वातीन हज़रात, हम इस वक्त अपने हट में आ चुके हैं और here is Hildegard. She is welcoming us. Take care. Bye bye. This is Nasir from Magne Hildegard Hut, Hardangervidda, Norwegian biggest national park, Norway. Hello, Hildegard. How are you, madam?
I'm fine, thank you.
Everything is okay here?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Take care. Bye bye. This is Nasir from Norway. Here comes Naeem Sabir from the cabin to drive on snow scooter, and here is Magnar, my friend. Just have a try to look the way, and now we are going to Tochan with this cabin. Yes. Magnar going to fix the cabin that is now attached with snow scooter. Now here is Naeem Sabir coming with special clothes because he wants to sit on snow scooter, and everything is ready. I'm going to sit in the back cabin, and Naeem Sabir going to sit with Magnar on the scooter just to experienced, because when we came here, so I sit on the snow scooter, and Naeem Sabir, here is the cabin where we have our luggage, and now everything is ready. Yes, I have key. I have key. I have key to fix this. So everything is ready now. Naeem Sabir sir, would you please show us how to sit in the cabin?
Cabin, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
yes.
you open the door from here.
Yes. Yes. Please sit inside, and I want to see how you sit in.
So you put your first feet inside first, and then you drag yourself inside.
Yes.
And then you close the door.
Yes.
Like this.
Yes. Yeah. So this is the story. We have, we as a Pakistani, never ever experienced this type of life. that we have enjoyed just because of our friend Magnar, who live here the most of the day in the year. He loved very much. He hunt here. He enjoyed. He hike. He travel around the beautiful nature. And here is Magnar equipped with all necessary things to drive this motorcycle. Sorry, snow scooter. How much power for this scooter, sir?
This one is 50, the other one is 130.
Oh yes, so it is more than enough for 3 persons to carry?
Because there's a high and low gear, so it's no problem. This is a working. Okay, Nasir?
Yes.
You need to go.
What you said, sir?
You need to go inside.
You need to go.
I'm going to sit inside? Oh yes, I love to sit inside because I want to experience. When we came, so Naeem Sabir experienced inside the cabin, and now I am going to experience inside the cabin. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you very much, all of you. Here is the toilet. Here is the hut.
Nasir, kom igen. Vi har
Yeah. Now is 8 early in the morning. I am on the way to earn bread and butter. Take care. Bye bye. This is Norway and Norwegian winter. Take care. अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मैं इस वक्त टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन तूफानी बर्फबारी में फंसा हुआ हूँ। हर तरफ बड़ी जोरदार बर्फबारी हो रही है। मुझे यकीनन अपनी गाड़ी बंद करनी पड़ेगी इस तूफान की वजह से। मुझे कुछ नजर नहीं आ रहा। टेक केयर, बाय बाय। my God.
Tusen takk.
Boss, tusen hjertelig takk for the hike. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. Gentlemen, ख़वातीन और हज़रात, मेरे दोस्त नईम साबिर खान एडवेंचर करने लगे हैं। वो इस जमी हुई झील को क्रॉस करने जा रहे हैं और वो दूसरी तरफ जो हट बने हुए हैं वहाँ लोगों को हेलो हाय करेंगे। और ये उन्होंने अपना आगाज़ कर दिया है और मैं उनकी इस मेमोरी को कैच करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ ताकि आप भी इसे देख सकें। देखिए, ये उन्होंने झील में कदम रख दिया और मैं अब उनके पीछे उनके साथ मैं भी जाऊंगा। तो आप देखिएगा कि ये झील अगर हम आपसे राब्ते में ना रहें तो इसका मतलब है कि झील में हम कहीं गरक हो चुके हैं या डूब चुके हैं, जहाँ से बर्फ़ ज़रा पतली थी और वो टूट चुकी है और हम उसमें जा चुके हैं। लेकिन अगर वापस आ गए तो फिर हमसे राब्ता हम आपसे राब्ता कायम करेंगे। टेक केयर, बाय बाय। दिस इज नासिर।